Hello foodies, welcome back to Novel Kitchen. Today we are going to make mini chocolate cake without egg, oven, maida in just 10 minutes. This mini chocolate cake are moist, ultra chocolatey and super cute. The best thing is that they are really easy to make. With secret tips to make this deliciously moist soft cake crumbles. Take 1 cup of wheat flour, cocoa powder 2 tablespoons, milk powder 1 teaspoon, baking powder 1 teaspoon, baking soda half teaspoon. Sieve them well. Add half a cup of powdered sugar. Sieve them well. Mix together evenly so that it is combined well. Take 3/4 cup of milk. To this add 1/4 cup of oil. Fresh curd 1 tablespoon. Vinegar half teaspoon. Vanilla essence 1 teaspoon. Mix them well until it is combined well. Now pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. Whisk them thoroughly until it is combined well. Make sure to get rid of lumps by whisking them well. The final batter should look like this, shiny and slightly sticky. Now brush the cavity of the appam pan with little oil. Now fill the cavity of the pan by 3/4 of the batter. Again only 3/4 of the cavity to avoid spilling over the sides or sinking. This chocolate cake batter is made from simple everyday ingredients. Once you try this instant mini chocolate cake recipe is going to be your new favorite recipe. Sprinkle some chocolate chips. It's optional only. If you want, you can, otherwise leave it. Sprinkle some chopped almonds. Cover it with the lid and cook in low flame for about 7 to 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, open the lid and check with the toothpick. Now it is perfectly baked. Our soft, healthy mini chocolate cake is ready now. This mini chocolate cake might be the most adorable, delicious bites of happiness. They have a chocolate flavor that is fudgy and chocolatey without being too rich, with a delicious, moist, soft cake crumble. These mini chocolate cakes are perfect treat for parties, potlucks, or whenever you are carving a bite of deliciousness within a short time. If you like this recipe, do subscribe my channel for more such wonderful recipes. Don't forget to leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Thank you.